Hello guys. Today is Tuesday and I'm about to work 3 shifts in a row, which means I am in desperate need of going grocery shopping because I'm about to show you my fridge and you guys are gonna think it's kind of ridiculous. I guess actually it doesn't look terrible, but honestly, this is way too empty for me normally. We are going to restock the fridge. I just went on a trip last weekend, so I honestly haven't gone to the grocery store in a hot minute. I'm gonna need more strawberries because I'm going through a strawberry phase right now and they're really good in season. We are gonna make this all fresh and all clean and ready for the week so that I can pack my lunch. And I'm gonna show you guys basically what I pack in a typical lunch while working as a nurse. I've been working as a nurse for the past almost 4.5 months, so I've kind of mastered exactly what I like to have for breakfast in the morning, what's possible to make for dinner, and what I actually like to eat while I'm at work. And I thought it would be really good to film this because I'm about to go to night shift in a little less than a month. So for now, this is what I like to eat on day shift because I have a feeling it's gonna change once I flip to nights. Step 1, we need to make a grocery list. So let me grab my list. For some reason, I can't find my favorite market list. I have a really cute one from Rifle Paper Company that I love, but I can't find it anywhere. So we're opening up a new notepad. Good thing I have a extensive collection of these. I'm gonna leave a link down below to my Amazon storefront, and I have linked there like some of my favorite containers, my favorite lists, and just like food things, you know. I typically start with what I want as my main meal. For now, my current obsession is to go to Trader Joe's and get a bunch of their pre-made salads, or I get a bag salad and I split the bag salad into 2 different salad containers, and then it's a lot cheaper and it stretches me for a while. I've also done this with like a Costco bag salad, which can last me 3 full shifts. So it just kind of depends on my mood. I did that last week, so I'm kind of like sick of that type of salad, and therefore I'm gonna get my 3 favorite salads at Trader Joe's. Depending on when the expiration dates are, I may also get a 4th salad because I also work on Monday, so if it'll last to Monday, I love to like try to get 1 extra lunch thing so that I don't have to go to the store on like my weird 2 days off. I also like to make sure that I have something for breakfast. Right now, my favorite go-to breakfast is oatmeal and strawberries. It's just super easy. I also have been doing Greek yogurt, strawberries, and granola, so I'm gonna add some granola on the list. I'm also gonna add orange juice because I always like to keep orange juice in my fridge. It's great to make smoothies on my days that I'm not working. If I just like want something in the morning, it's healthy, it's easy. If I wanna like have something to go along with my oatmeal. I'm gonna get some of my favorite crunchy snacks because I like to just have lots of different options. I'm gonna get some kombucha because that's like my little work treat. And I think those are the main things that I know I need, and then we'll see what else I end up picking up at the store. But the other thing that I like to do is I like to plan out how many dinners and things that I need because I don't like to buy ingredients to make dinner if I know I'm gonna go out or if I'm gonna end up at my parents' house. So for like the next stretch of 5 or 6 days, I probably will make dinner, let's say half the time. So that usually means that I can pick at least 1 recipe to do like a dinner, and that'll last me for 2 separate nights. And I also like to look at the ingredients that I have here and what I can make. So I know I'll probably end up making some sort of stir fry because I have teriyaki sauce, I have an onion, I have carrots, I have edamame. I really need some veggies, so I always like to get like a bell pepper. That's so easy for me to include in a ton of different recipes. And I also will get mushrooms because I always have stuff here to make pasta, and I can do like an onion plus mushroom dish. And then I just think it's fun to like always have a recipe to look forward to in the week. I love going online too for Love and Lemons. They have really great recipes, but I also recently got this cookbook. It's the Jamie Oliver One Pan Wonders cookbook, and I have already tabbed like a bunch of recipes here. And I just feel like it's fun because 1, it actually forces me to use the cookbooks that I have bought, and 2, it's something different. And usually if I'm excited to make a certain dish, then I actually have the energy to follow through and make it. Cajun tray bake looks super good. I have rice, I have garlic. I think we're gonna try this. I like to also look at recipes and then I will kind of modify them. This one has like normal amount of ingredients, which is really helpful because then you don't like end up overdoing it. Let's see if I have Cajun seasoning. This is why we make the list before we go to the store, because then we don't have to waste our time buying things that we do not need. I have chili powder. Okay, we're gonna see if Trader Joe's has Cajun seasoning, but they don't have the largest seasoning selection, but I do have a lot of what the core of Cajun seasoning is. So if I had to make it myself, I could, but I don't want to drive to 2 stores today, so we're just gonna deal with what we have. Okay, perfect. I love doing dishes with a lot of ingredients that I already have, so I really only need red onion, chicken legs, plain yogurt, and I'm gonna get multiple bell peppers. It's gonna look like this, and it's gonna be delicious. And I just toss it into one pan, and then I can put it in the oven and go take a shower, like, when I'm tired coming home from work. So that's gonna be great, and it'll last for multiple days. So there we go, we have our list. We are ready to go. Let's go hit up TJ's.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you know what it is. Rest in peace, Mac, don't trip. Gotta thank Coda for the hit. Hobby turn a hobby to legit. Now we body every bitch. Still a bougie bitch talking that bullshit. So why you throwing shade on me? Cause I just do my thing low key. Butt naked while I'm doing Tai Chi. Never met a motherfucker like me. Yeah, man, what's up? You don't really got no crystal ball. Shut the fuck up. I don't wanna hear that shit at all. You too stuck up, but ain't no problem that I could've solved it. Always on a trip, always into some shit. Gotta be that told me. One sec. Anyway. One sec.
Success. We just got out of Trader Joe's. That was literally record time. I got in and out in 12 minutes, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. So I think I got enough stuff for actually 2 weeks of groceries, which I'm very excited about. Let's go home and I'll unpack and show you guys what I got. All right, you guys, we made it home. We have the grand total of what we spent here. I actually ended up getting these 2 really cute Trader Joe's reusable bags. I've been wanting these forever. You guys, they look like they're actual bag, but they're a reusable bag, and they're a really thick, like, canvasy material. So I, for some reason, can't find any of my other reusable bags. They just, like, end up different places, and so I needed some anyway. So I decided to treat myself and get the reusable bags, and I will keep them in my car so I have them whenever I shop. So those were each $5. So my grand total was $92.40. But subtract the actual $10 in bags, and I spent $82.40 on food for about 2 weeks, which I would say is pretty good, especially because I wasn't going like super budget. I was just buying realistically like something that I would buy in a week. And because I was buying my pre-made salads, which is not the like cheapest way to do it, I think it's cheaper to buy a salad kit and then split it. And because I bought myself a few treats. So you will see. So let's do a little haul of what we got. I'm gonna put everything out on the countertop and then we'll just go through it together. Here is everything that I got from Trader Joe's on this shopping trip. So we're just gonna go through it. I sorted by category, so it's all laid out. I decided to stock up my freezer a little bit and get some of the things that I was missing. I got this vegetable fried rice. I love this stuff. It's just really convenient if you need a really quick lunch on the go. It's literally ready in 5 minutes, and I add sriracha to mine, and then I also add some more edamame just for more protein, and I like more vegetables in it. So vegetable fried rice, go to. Mango chunks, these are great for smoothies. If you guys have not tried these steamed chicken soup dumplings, they're so good. Like, I knew they were probably gonna be enjoyable and I had heard good things, but when I tried them, I was like mind blown. They're so delicious. Then I got this organic roasted vegetable pizza. My friend actually had a couple of us over for dinner the other night and just cooked like 2 of these. It was super easy and it was actually really good. I'm not typically like a frozen pizza gal, but I was impressed with this, and it has a bunch of vegetables on it, so I love that. Coming over here to the meat and dairy section, I got some Greek yogurt. This is for the recipe that I'm gonna use, and I also use it just for like yogurt and granola and fruit in the morning. So I have some more of these in my fridge already, so I just got one. Got some more eggs, and I already took a picture of the expiration because my friend Erica always laughs at me because I keep my eggs in this little thing, and you can't remember the expiration. So I always take a picture and I put it in my favorites so I can see when my eggs expire. And then I got some chicken. I usually don't buy meat. I actually end up cooking a lot of vegetarian things even though I'm not vegetarian, and that's simply because I find meat really expensive, and just as one person it's kind of a lot to spend money on. But these bone-in chicken thighs were only $3.64, so that's pretty affordable, and I'm gonna use it in that dish that I'm making. That's pretty great because it's gonna be 4 servings, and I think that's a deal. All right, on to my salad lunch main dishes. I ended up getting this curried white chicken salad. This is more of an expensive thing that I don't get often because it's like $5.49, but it's super filling and good. And the reason why I got this is because the expiration was later, so got that to have for lunch on Monday. All of these salads are less than $4, and I think they're delicious, so that's why I get this cycle of these 3, and then I stack them from the soonest to be used to the least soonest to be used, so I eat them in chronological order of the expiration date. We have Caesar salad, the mozzarella and tomato salad with balsamic vinaigrette. This one's super good. And then the classic Greek salad, which is also delicious. I always find myself craving it. I just think it tastes really great. Over here to the fruit and vegetable section, I have a couple bananas. These are great for smoothies or for yogurt bowls. I got 2 nectarines just to give myself like a little healthy snack if I want to have. I got a fresh garlic, mushrooms that I can use in a variety of dishes, 2 apples because I always have a half apple and peanut butter every single morning for breakfast while I'm at work. It's really filling and it helps me get to lunch even if that means I'm eating at like 2 to 3 p.m. An assortment of bell peppers for stir fry this week and for that dish that I'm making, as well as the red onion. We have some fresh strawberries, great for smoothies, great for yogurt bowls. I even cut them up and bring them to work as a snack. Some fresh orange juice, and then this is something that I definitely don't need to spend money on, but it's like my little treat. And if you are a nurse or work in the healthcare field, you know that nurses are obsessed with their beverages. Like, it's never enough just to have water. And so instead of going and buying coffee every single day, I try to bring a beverage. So this is the green tea beverage with grapefruit and mint, and I always have to buy something with a lid so that I can kind of sip on it throughout the day, but I can close it up, and if I don't finish it during that day, I can always bring it the next day. So I got the green tea one. I love kombucha, so I got this Health Aid Pink Lady kombucha. I also am obsessed with the Dr. Brew kombucha. It's from Portland. It's super good, and whenever it's on sale, I usually get a bunch in my fridge. And then this is my favorite one from this brand. It's the passion fruit tangerine kombucha. This is kind of a random purchase, but I just went on this girls trip and my friends introduced me to this Green Dragon hot sauce. It is to die for good on top of eggs or hash browns and any sort of bowl you're making. It's so good. So I had to get a bottle for myself, of course. This is my other treat that I get myself. I just like to have something sweet while I'm at work, and I just pack a couple of these in a plastic bag and I just kind of keep it stocked in my lunchbox. So when I want to have like a little dessert, I can have a couple Scandinavian swimmers, and I like the sour kind. So got some of those. Got a new toasted coconut granola. This is my favorite granola, and it's really great with yogurt or on smoothie bowls. These are my 2 like crunchy chip things that I'll have for snacks at work, and I only open one at a time so they don't go bad, but I am obsessed with this rice medley right now. It's just like a good little salty snack, and I like almost everything in this mix. And then this is my other snack that I love to bring, the peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. They also have, I believe, an almond butter version too, but I love this. Peanut butter is great protein. It really keeps me full, and it's a good salty snack. It's easy to eat, and yeah, I'm always like in the mood for it. So I got another bag of those. And that is absolutely everything that I got for about a week and a half to 2 weeks as a nurse. I'll probably end up going like one more quick run to the store next week just to get me through like the final 2 shifts on next week's shift, because you just can't buy salads and stuff that far in advance. Or if I have leftovers, I oftentimes will like bring those as well. So you guys want me to do more videos like this and actually show you guys what I eat in a week as a nurse every single day and being like totally honest, that would be so fun to do. So I'm gonna pack my lunch really quick. It's gonna be super basic. I'm gonna grab one of these salads and a drink, and I put everything in the fridge all next to each other. So while I'm like half asleep at 5:45 in the morning, I just grab everything and go. And then I always pre-cut my apples and I put them in these really great little reusable bags. I'll link these down below. I feel like since I always have apples every single day, it's better than like just using plastic bags. Not that I'm perfect at that because I need more reusable bags, but I definitely try, especially because I pack my lunch every single day at work. Please leave me a comment down below with today's question of the day, and that is, what is your favorite thing to pack in your lunch at work? Is there something new that you're obsessed with? Let me know down below because I'm always looking for new inspiration, and I think it's so interesting to see what other people are eating. Hopefully this was helpful and inspired you to pack your lunch and to pick out some new things at the store because it's fun. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very soon. I hope you have a wonderful week. See ya.
I only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate